this afternoon, sir?
Well, reaction is that the court has delivered its ruling in its wisdom. It's the same court that gave judgment on the 13th of this month, ordering a release or a discharge of MAZI Nnamdi Kanu. Well, the same court in its wisdom has this afternoon, though a different panel, or the same court of appeal, held that there should be a stay to that same order of discharge, meaning that Nnamdi Kanu will remain in custody. That is, for us as lawyers, we don't have anything to do, I'll say, until, especially knowing that the substantive appeal itself is before the Supreme Court. We go to the Supreme Court and ventilate the case of our client, MAZI Nnamdi Kanu. So that is the hope we look forward to, especially against the backdrop that they also made a consequential order that the record of appeal should be transmitted to the Supreme Court within 7 days. That gives a hope, an indication that the appeal will be heard within a record time. So we hope that will take place.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I to mention
Yet that, even on the record of the court, that the lead counsel, Chief Mike Ozekome, who brilliantly argued the appeal on Monday, this application against the federal government, is presently attending the International Bar Association conference in Miami, Florida. So I heard his brief.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, my people. Now, I believe all of you heard what the IPOB lawyer said. But there's something I want to ask. The Court of Appeal discharged and acquitted MAZI Nnamdi Kanu, and the Nigerian government refused to free him. What did they do? The lawyers, the panel that discharged and acquit MAZI Nnamdi Kanu, those judges were serving in that very Court of Appeal. And the Nigerian government quickly transferred them out because they refused to take bribe to jail MAZI Nnamdi Kanu or to obey the order of federal government. Rather, they followed the rule of the law by discharging MAZI Nnamdi Kanu and acquitting him because he committed no crime. At this point, Nigerian government transferred those lawyers out, and they bring their own personal judges, and they instructed them on what to do. That is number one. Secondly, according to Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor, he said that the judges that had the argument is not the same judge that ruled the judgment, which means another judge had everything. Then they bring another person from nowhere to come and rule, and the person read the script written by the federal government. At this point, I expected the Igbo leaders, I mean the Igbo political leaders, those that are campaigning for election, to rise up, because if things continue like this and they keep silent, believe you me, there will be no election in Biafra land, because MAZI Nnamdi Kanu will not be in DSS custody, and all of you will keep quiet for the injustice meted on Biafrans and the leader of indigenous people of Biafra, and all of you will keep mute. We will not take that, and I call on everyone to rise up, listen and pay attention, watch the video. And not only that, the lead counsel of IPOB is far away in Miami having a conference of lawyers, whatever it's called. And these people just hold a 45 minutes notification to the legal team of this hearing. I want you people to pick all the points and know that when we will start our own madness, all of you that keep silent now, I will advise you to continue keeping silent. Thank you and remain blessed. This is MAP, Ezioku Bundu 1 in Biafra land. See you people in Spring Court. Spring Court, here we come. Thank you. Free MAZI Nnamdi Kanu. Give us date for referendum. No Biafra, no peace. Almost here Biafra. Thank you and remember.